story, the Narayanpur incident. So today we will see in the story that what is happening. So till now what we have seen in the story, that Suman is there, okay, Mohan is there, Babu is there, and Manju is there. And what these children are doing? These children are participating in the Quit India movement. The movement which was started by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay. So in the first video, what we discussed? We discussed that Mohan is participating in one of the protests, and the protest was a peaceful protest. So what they were doing, the college student from the college, they were taking one protest and they were going to the collector's office, and there they were submitting one letter to the collector, because the collector was only the representative of the British government. So these children thought that we will give one notice, and this notice was that you leave the country, otherwise some bad consequences you can face. So this up to here we have seen in the story. Now we can start the second part of the story. So I ask all the children that whenever you watch this video, that time you must have the literature book with you, and then you can understand nicely. So go to page number 16, paragraph number 20. From here we can start. Suman and another boy turned up after they had finished their dinner that night. So Suman is there, one more boy is there, and what they are doing, they are having the dinner that night. So after that, what is happening? The boy staggered in with a large newspaper covered parcel in his hand. So the boy was carrying something, and staggered means the one who is facing problem to carry. So that is said to be staggering. In the book also we can see page number 16, walked as if he might fall because of the heavy object he was carrying. So the boy was having something in the hand, and that the thing which was having, it was covered in the parcel newspaper. Here, let me help you, said Mohan. So Mohan is saying that the heavy thing you are carrying, so I should help you. My room, okay, Amma? And he is asking that my room, okay, Amma? So Amma is the word which is used for mother in Hindi. So what is in the parcel, children? We don't know. Till now we don't know what is in the parcel. And why they are asking that we should go to a particular room, this also till now we don't know. So what the mother is giving reply, we can see in the paragraph 22. No, I think the puja room is better. So mother is saying that no, I think that puja room is better. So in the houses, okay, those who are following Hinduism religion, so there one room they are keeping for puja room where worship used to be done. So a light there will look more normal. So mother is saying that a light there will be look more normal, means if light is coming out from the puja room, no one will doubt that what we all are doing. Means something they are doing in the night where light will come out from the puja room, and which is illegal by the government. Okay, which is illegal by the government. So they are doing this much secretly. Okay. So right as usual, Amma, the puja room there. So what he is saying that right as usual means many times we have done these things where we have done these things in the puja room only. So the puja room is correct. The boy went after a whispered conversation. So what is the meaning of whispered conversation? Means someone is talking that much secretly that we are not able to listen. Okay, maybe someone is speaking completely in the ears. So that is said to be the whispered conversation. So the boy went and he was having the whispered conversation with Suman. Then Suman, Amma and Mohan went into the small puja room. So generally the puja room used to be small children, and all three are going in the puja room. Then Babu and Manju started curiously over their shoulders at the mysterious parcel. So Babu and Manju, they are small only, okay, and small in the age also. So they started looking the mysterious parcel because they were not knowing, like us only, they are also not knowing that what is inside the parcel. which turned out to be a cyclostyling machine. So what is cyclostyling machine? Cyclostyling machine is a machine which is used to do the copy, which is used to do the Xerox. Okay, means keeping the machine which is doing the Xerox before independence was illegal. And not only children it was illegal, it was a very big crime also. You can think that how it can be crime. Yes, it was crime because many Indians, they were participating in the Indian national movement. They were fighting against the British. So in that, what they were doing, that time the mode of communication was not this much high how we are having today. So today if you have to say something, what you can do, you can go to social media, there you can write and many can read this. But that time it was not like that. Communication gap was there. So cyclostyling machine was used by the Indian revolutionaries, and what they were doing, they were doing the copies of speech. Speech of whom? Speech of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, okay, like Subhash Chandra Bose, and they were making this speech available to maximum Indians, so that Indian will read, and after reading they will also feel confident and they will understand that independence is the essential thing for everyone. This is a part of life and we should try hard to get it. So British government, they never allowed to keep the cyclostyling machine. Why? Because if the revolution will spread, if the people will become motivated, what can happen? They cannot have their imperial government in the India for long time. So keeping the cyclostyling machine before independence, or simply you can say keeping the Xerox machine before independence, was a big crime, a very big crime. So what they are doing, Mohan, Babu, Suman, Manju and Amma, they all are keeping the cyclostyling machine and they are doing the copy of the speeches of writer leaders. So paragraph 25, Babu said Mohan, as they settled down to work. So now Babu, what the Babu is going to do, he is going to work, sit out in the front room and keep a watch. So now Babu is keeping a watch that if anyone is coming, then he will inform the people inside that someone is coming, some problem is there, so that they will become aware and they can be safe. Give us a warning if anyone seems to be coming to our house. Manju, go to bed. To brother, they have assigned one work to Babu, and sister, they are saying that you are small, no, you go and sleep. But what he is saying, he went on, noticing her crestfallen face. So if all are participating in something, and that time if small children are not taking participation, they will become sad. So by looking the sad face, the brother said that you sit there in the hall and pass on Babu's warning to us. So you also participate what we all are doing. Only you have to pass what Babu information is giving to us. If he will say someone is coming, you also say someone is coming. So this is going to be very interesting story, children. In paragraph 26, Amma, Suman and Mohan got to work at once. So all three, what they started doing, they started doing the work. They were operating the cyclostyling machine. Manju peered at them. Peered means looking from inside, right? So Manju started looking from inside from the hall. In a little while, she began feeling drowsy. Drowsy means the one who started feeling sleepy. A small child, know how much hours she can keep the watch. So she started feeling drowsy and had to struggle not to doze off. And she was facing struggle not to doze off. Doze off means in sleep sometimes people used to fall down. So she was trying to sit properly, but she was unable. Then suddenly something is happening. Page number 70, paragraph 27. Babu sat outside, alert and attentive. But how Babu was sitting? Babu was sitting outside. He was very much alert and he was very much attentive because he has to pass the right information there. If by mistake also he is not informing the family inside, the friends inside, that someone is coming to the house, some danger is there, then the whole family can be in problem. Right? He felt a thickening in his throat. Thickening in his throat means the throat started feeling heavy. This is a sign of nervousness. This is a sign of emotion. Okay, when the person is feeling very much emotion and excited. It was beginning, and at last he was doing something. Suddenly he tensed. So he was doing something. He was also participating. What all the family members are participating in the Quit India movement. So this is the story of a family. How the family also did a lot of work for independence. A man riding a bike stopped right outside their gate. And now the suspense of the story is coming. What the suspense is, children? That a man who was on the motorcycle is coming in front of the gate of the house and he stopped there. He was getting off. Then he is getting off also. Means coming inside the house. And he started opening the gate. Babu flung himself inside. So flung means how fly the word is used. Fly, flight, flung. So flung like a bird, very fast he came inside. Manju turned his scarlet face to him and Manju looked completely surprised that why he started rushing towards the house. And he informed the family, someone is coming in. Then he said that someone is coming in. Now all become fearful. There was silence. From inside the puja room, three faces looked at him. All the three faces started looking at him. He means Babu. He informed the danger that someone is coming. Then Amma got up and came up, followed by Mohan. So Amma is also coming out. Amma is coming. Then Mohan is coming. And Suman was inside the puja room only, where Mohan closed the door. That you be in the puja room only, you don't come out. So they tried to handle the situation by themselves. And Manju to bed Babu you, and they informed to brother and sister, small brother and sister, that you go to bed. Because if anyone is coming, like example, if the police officer is coming in the night time, and if the police officer is able to see that everyone is wake up, then there can be a question of doubt that why all the people are wake up in the night. So they said to the children that you go and sleep. There was knock on the door, and suddenly knock started on the door. Babu rushed to his room, and now Babu is going to his room, unrolled his bed. So the bed is rolled and the bed is unrolled. He is making the bed and threw himself on it. So threw himself on it means jumping to the bed, because he has to follow the command of mother also, and now he has to pretend that he was in sleep. Who is there? Amma called. Now mother started asking that who is there on the gate, who is knocking the door. Mohan, go and see who it is. And then Amma is saying that Mohan, you go and you see who it is. Manju, who had got into her bed too, noticed that though Amma's voice was steady, her hands trembled. So what Manju was able to notice, children, Manju was able to notice that mother voice was steady, means no change in the voice, but the hands were trembling, means hands were shaking because of fear. Okay, hands were shaking because of fear. So if anyone is doing something illegal, see, according to the government of British that time, having the cycle studying machine and printing something, okay, doing Xerox, that was illegal. But if you ask from all the Indians what they all were doing, we all will say that they were fighting for the independence. So who were they? They were our national heroes. Okay. So if we change the reference, then how we look into the scene and the story, that also changes, right? So whenever I say or if the question says that what they were doing, so we have to write in the answer that according to the British government they were doing the illegal work because they were having the cyclostylling machine. But don't write like this that they were doing illegal work. Are you able to understand, children? I hope so. Okay. So the hand was shaking, trembling, but the courageous lady sees that voice was steady, no change in the voice. Mohan came in saying, so what Mohan came and informed, Amma, it is Patil, the sub-inspector. So who is outside? Outside is sub-inspector of police, his name is Patil. Okay. So from the name it is clear that Patil is Indian. Okay, Patil is Indian sub-inspector. So if something is illegal happening in the house before the independence according to the British government, and that night only if a police officer is coming, means something more dangerous is going to happen. Right? So what he said, the first line, what the strange voice said, I have not come to trouble you. A strange voice said, I have not come to trouble you. This line is explaining that people used to understand that police is coming means trouble is there. So he said, I have not come to trouble you. Then, your husband was my friend in school. I am a friend. And then, how Patil is giving his introduction that your husband was my friend in school and I am a friend. Now, where the husband is? Now, Mohan's father, he is in jail because he was very much active in the Quit India movement and British made him to live in prison. Paragraph 36. Amma got up quickly and went out. So now mother is coming out. Manju waited a moment and followed her. So after 1 minute movement, okay, movement means a few minutes we can say. Manju is also following. There was Babu coming out of his room. And that time only Babu is also coming out from his room, making a show of having woken out of a deep sleep. So when Babu is coming out, how he is showing? He is showing that now only he is coming out from the bed and from past many hours he was sleeping. From the past many hours what he was doing? He was sleeping. So we can say that he was pretending. We can say that he was pretending. The man was saying to Amma, yes, we were in school together. And the man, he wanted to comfort everyone, those who all were present there. So to comfort, he started speaking some more thing. Like, yes, we were in the school, he was ... What is the meaning of this part? The meaning of this part is, he has not completed his sentence also. He said this much only, he was, and then mother interrupted. Mother stopped him. And mother asked, please Patil Sahib, said Amma rather impatiently. Impatiently means she wanted to know that why the police officer is in their house in the night and when they are working with the cyclostylling machine. So she wanted to know. So she said that, please Patil Sahib, tell me why you are here. If you are a friend, you can come in the daylight also, no? What made you to come in the night also and that also in the police uniform, right? So she said that, yes, come to the point directly. What made you to come here? It is like this. Now he is giving the answer why I am here. There is going to be a search of your house. So he is saying that your house, one search is going to happen. Search means they will search the whole house and they will found something which they are not allowing to keep. So mother is asking when? Most probably tonight. So Patil is saying that most probably tonight. I heard the Sahibs talking. So who are said to be Sahibs? The British officers generally, they were only having the high post. Okay. Before independence, children, Indians were not allowed to raise from the rank of sepoys, maximum inspector, sub-inspector. Okay, but the police commissioner and superintendent of police, they were not allowed to be. So the Sahibs were talking, they were speaking of a cyclostylling machine. And what they were talking about, they were talking about a cyclostyling machine. It seems you people are making copies of the Mahatma's speech. So here he is informing that the officers, police officer, they are going to search your house today because you people are making the speeches of Mahatma Gandhi, copies. Okay. They say you have people hiding here as well. Second number, you are having the people hiding here as well. Okay, the people whom the British is searching. Ha! Exclamation mark. Mohan scoffed. Scoff means laughing. Laughing in that manner like what you are saying is false thing. Okay. But what he was saying was correct thing. But that time, in front of the police, they have to show, according to their wisdom, that they should not be in problem. So Mohan, he was a young person, I can say, studying in college. So he was not believing the police officer and he laughed. But you have the cyclostyling machine. No, said Mohan angrily. So when next time the question was asked that you are having the cyclostyling machine or not, that time Mohan became angry. And angrily he said, no, you are wasting your time spying on us. So what is the meaning of spying, children? Spying means collecting information about anyone without his or her information is called spying. Okay. For example, one person is there and I am collecting information about the person. Without his or her information, then I am called spy. Okay. So he said, very good line he said, that you are wasting your time spying on us. Okay, you are wasting your time spying on us. Means Mohan is not agree to accept that you are a friend. Mohan is not agree to accept that he is coming for help. Mohan is thinking that this can also be there. No, that police officer he is working under the British. How we can trust him? Maybe he will say that you are having cyclostyling machine. I am your friend. You bring the machine in front of me, and when the people will bring, he will arrest all the family members. Right? So he was not trusting him. Page number 18. Tell me, the man ignored Mohan, spoke to Amma. But the man, he ignored the Mohan. Okay, he don't want to be in the argue with the young child. So he started speaking to Amma. Yes. Amma replied simply and Mohan made an angry hissing sound. Hissing sound means the sound how the snake is making, S sounding. So in angry, he made this type of sound. Why? Because mother accepted that yes, we are having cyclostyling machine. So why mother said that yes, we are having? See children, some people are there in the world because of their experience or because of their intuition, they are knowing how to judge a people nicely. So maybe Amma felt a good sense from Patil the sub-inspector, and because of this only she trusted Patil the sub-inspector. And later in the story we can see that Patil the sub-inspector was a friend or he was a disguised enemy. Later only we can come to know that mother was correct in her sense of judging the peoples or Mohan was correct. So he is asking, where is it? Inside. Give it to me, I will get it out of the way. So Patil is saying that you give the cyclostyling machine to me and I will get it out of the way. Means if the search will be there, they will find in the house nothing. Right? So you will be safe from the problem. Mohan burst out again. Again Mohan is becoming angry. Burst out means he is becoming very angry. That much angry that we cannot understand also. Or we can say that 100% he is giving in his angerness. Amma, what are you doing? How can you trust a policeman? So two questions he is asking. First, what are you doing? And second, how you can trust a policeman who is working under the British government? Okay. The man touched Mohan on the shoulder. But this man very gently is touching the shoulder, okay, of Mohan and saying, Mohan, you are still very young. So Mohan, you are a very young person. I am a policeman. Yes, but your father was and still is my friend. So he is saying that I am police officer, but your father was and is my friend. And this time you see children. And this is my country as much as it is yours. So this is called dialogue of the story. What is the dialogue of the story? When Patil the sub-inspector said that, and this is my country as much as it is yours. Okay, so don't think that only you are patriotic, we all are. And I have come here to save you because I also love this country very much. So children, if in future you will study about anyone who was working under the British government, right? Who was working under the British government. So don't say or don't think that they were the bad peoples. Maybe they were also very good peoples. Maybe they were also very patriotic and loving to the peoples of India and their country. So we cannot judge any person on the basis that before independence where he was working. Okay. So some people can be like Patil the sub-inspector also. Okay. So now give it to me quickly. So he is saying that give it to me quickly. Amma opened the door of the puja room and said, Suman. So now Suman is inside only and we are saying that Suman, now you come out. Suman emerged. Suman is not coming out, Suman emerged. Emerge means maybe the door of the puja room is little bit short. So means he is coming out, increasing in the height. So it is said emerged. And then looking anxiously at them. She was looking very surprised at everyone. Amma smiled at her and said, Amma is now smiling at Suman and saying, you have to get away. Means now you have to go. Take away all the materials, everything you take. Mohan, will you ... Means this time was also not completed. Mohan ducked into the puja room. So ducked means in decreasing his height, and like the duck he is entering in the puja room, going in the puja room and lugged the machine out. So heavy machine he is carrying out and gave it to Patil, and he has given to Patil. So Patil is now asking, do you have the largest bag, a big one, so that what can happen? He can keep the cycle selling machine in that, and when he will go outside, no one will doubt. Okay, so no one will doubt that what you are thinking, what you are doing, like this. Okay, largest bag. Right. Manju, Amma began, but Babu had already got it. So Amma was going to say that anyone please arrange this, but Babu that time only he has given. And then they were gone. So after that what happened? Patil sub-inspector he has gone. Patil, Mohan and Suman. The house seems unbelievably quiet after the earlier activity. So after this activity what happened? The house was completely now silent and unbelievable. Like a police officer is coming and taking out the cyclo-selling machine and saying that I am your friend. Right? So let us go to bed, Amma suggested. So Amma said that now what we can do, we all can go to bed. Okay. Mohan came back shortly. So Mohan is coming back now and asking, where is Suman? Manju asked him anxiously. She is alright. Saying that Manju is also alright, Suman is also alright. Go to bed, Manju, Amma said. So Amma is saying to Manju that you go also and you also sleep. But who will go to bed? Question mark. With the police about to come? Question mark. If they are having the information that the police is going to come, then who can go and sleep? Now they only have to wait for the police. It was impossible. But nevertheless, she did drop off. But then also she has to go to bed and came out of her sleep to hear a loud knock at the door. But then what happened? A loud knock on the door was there. Last time how the knock was? It was simple knock. This time loud knock. Means someone wants to enter in the house. Okay, they are ordering, giving command. Right? It was repeated. Who is it? Amma called. So next time also Amma is asking, who is it? Open the door, a strange voice order. So here it is not request children that open the door, we want to come inside, we want to talk something. No. It was order. that we are the someone who are having the power, so we can give the order to open the door. They were the British officers. Mohan, see who it is, said Amma. So Amma said that Mohan, you go and see that who it is. It was like going through something all over again. And how it was looking, children? It was looking at something which is happening repeatedly. Okay, one time all these things happened with Patil the sub-inspector, but he was a friend. And he has saved them from the problem. But this time they knew for sure that it was not a friend standing outside. And this time they will show that this time friend is not standing outside. So no need for Mohan to announce Amma, it is the police. And this time no need for the Mohan to announce Amma, this is the police. Because Patil the sub-inspector has given this information. So like this the story ends, and this story is inspired from the real incident, I can say, the Narayanpur incident which happened at the time of Quit India movement. So finally what we can learn from this story, children, that what we got independence, no, it is not the result of one day fight. It is not the result of one night's dream. It is the result of centuries of slavery, centuries of hardship, and centuries of revolt. So all the family members, I can say, they were participating directly or indirectly in the protest, okay, in the movement, and because of their struggle only today we are able to take the independent. So here we will talk about some of the issues in the story or some of the plots in the story. Point number 1: if the sub-inspector is coming and the family is not trusting him that yes he is really a friend, then what can happen? Then he will simply inform and he will go back. Then the British officer will come to the family, they will raid and they will put all the family members in the jail. Okay. So this can happen. Or second, if Patil the sub-inspector is coming to the family to inform, but if he was not a friend, he was saying I am a friend, give me a cycle selling machine, but he was not a friend, he was doing acting, then also the whole family will be in trouble. So here the role of Amma is coming very important, that she sensed, she judged from the voice or from the facial expression of Patil the sub-inspector that whatever he is saying is correct, and she trusted him in the first meeting only. So this is called something different, children. This is called, some people in their life they are having good sense of judging peoples. Okay, I think we should develop this. I don't know when this will come to our skill. Maybe at the age of old age we can get this type of qualities. But some people are having this from childhood also. They are having a good sense of judging others. Okay, like how in the story Amma trusted Patil the sub-inspector that whatever he is saying is correct, and they trusted. So now we can talk about some of the things, some of the dialogues of the story, right? So first dialogue, who made first dialogue in the story? Mohan said, okay, that leave our country or face the consequences, when they were handing over the letter to the collector's office. Okay, or the second we can talk that how the police officer, he said that this is my country as much as it is yours. Okay, when it was said in the year 1942 that this is my country as much as it is yours. Don't think that I am not patriotic person. I don't love my country and my peoples. Maybe I am working with the British, but then also I love my country and my peoples. So children, one thing is very much clear, that we should not become a person of prejudice, and we should not hate those Indians, those who worked under the British before India's independence. Maybe they were like Patil the sub-inspector only, very good, very patriotic, helping to the Indians, but they were working under the British. So now we can discuss some of the question answer of the story. So I ask all the children that you go to the book and see page number 20. Question number 1 is understanding the text. So here you have to arrange in which sequence it will come. So consider this list of different things that happened and rearrange them in the order of time. That is, what happened first, what happened next, and so on. So according to the story of what you have to do, in front of every sentence one box is there. In that box simply you can write 1, 2, 3. So which event happened first in the story, then you will write 1, and like that you will finish your answer. Question number B. Explain these sentences. Briefly state the situation in which they occur, what they say and what they mean or show. So what is the literature meaning of the sentence? Okay, literal meaning. And what is the deeper meaning of the sentence? What you understood, that you have to explain in your own words. Briefly means in short only. 4 or 5 lines is enough. Like it is like a declaration of war. It is like a declaration of war. So what is the meaning of this? What you understood and what you can write. And this is small country as much as it is yours. No need for Mohan to announce Amma, it is the police. Now appreciating the text. This question is very important because this question is saying that everyone in the family they played the role of a patriotic citizen, a patriotic peoples. So patriotism is the expression of love, devotion and support for the country. During the Indian national movement, Indian freedom movement, many Indians risked their life. Risk their life means keeping their life in danger, okay, and their personal freedom to free India from the British. So you have to write how has the writer expressed the patriotism of the different characters in the text. How the patriotism is expressed, that we have to say. Complete this table with example of the characters' patriotic behavior. So we have to say about the patriotic behavior. Mohan, Mother, Manju, Babu, Suman and Patil. So one line we can write that how in the story they all seems to be patriotic. Then page number 21. Question number 2. Amma, Mohan, Babu and Manju were taking a huge risk in taking part in the freedom movement. So they were taking huge risk. No, father is in the jail, whole family is involved in the Quit India movement and having the cyclo-styling machine. So all are doing, they all are making their life in danger. Why? To have a bright future for everyone, right? So the importance of independence, I can say that those can only understand better who have faced slavery. So we have to write here 2 examples of how the writer creates a sense of danger and tension in the story to show us what is at stake. So danger also and tension also. 2 examples from the story you can bring up and you can write. Then the last part is love for the country is only possible when we belong to a community. So we are living in one country, children, and we should have one sense of oneness. Okay, that we all are one. We all are Indians, right? See, here I want to say one thing. What the one thing I want to say? In every family, children, few disputes used to be there, some misunderstanding used to be there, or the peoples will not agree, the family members will not agree sometimes. So in the family, these things used to go on, right? But finally, the family is loving each other, okay, and the family used to live together, right? The bond is there. Same way, we can say in our country also. Some places, 1 or 2 incident of hatredness, okay, communal misunderstanding, you can listen, okay, like family only. But overall, we can say that we all are Indians and we all used to live together and happily, right? We used to celebrate the festivals together. We used to be in the part in others' problem also together. So we all are living together, okay, experiencing the good and bad things together. But how in the family sometimes misunderstanding used to be there, sometimes disagreement used to be there. Like that only in the country also, sometimes 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 cases of misunderstanding, hatred or communal this bondage used to come in the news and we used to listen these things. But we should not become affected by this type of things, right? So that only here it is written that how does the writer make this point in the text? Okay. So if I love my country, what I should do? I should love the citizen also of the country, love the peoples also of the country. Underline the sentences that show you are important role. Family, friendship, and must play in the fight for the country. So if anyone is fighting for the country, family is also playing the important role. Friendship is also playing the important role. These things used to give courage, right? See, if anything you are doing and if your family member, your friends always are saying what you are doing is wrong, then that confidence you cannot get. Okay. So like this we studied something which happened in the year 1942 and I hope that we all will learn something good only from this. Thank you all children. Have a good day.